Today we're going to talk a little bit about our home hydroponic unit and how it's progressing. We have some starts going of spinach, and you can see down here we got one little guy that's starting to emerge out. So this is a great time to really check not only our nutrients that we may need to add because of them emerging and starting to germinate, but also our pH levels. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our nutrient solution. Today we're going to use a fertilizer that is 1-4-2. So it has a higher rate of phosphorus and potassium. That's really to get the roots established, to get them started, and really from the germination to get those roots going so that green growth can start. Once we see more green, we'll add our other one that would have a higher nitrogen, like the 401, because we really want that nitrogen boost to get that leafy greens. We're going to use this is a 3-gallon container. So we're going to use a medicine cup that has the milliliters. So we're going to want that 5 milliliters so we can go up and actually pour our solution and have it marked so we can go into the 3 gallons of water. We're going to go ahead and pour it in and measure it. Going up to measure my mark. Pour it into our container. We're going to go up to the 5 milliliter. So we're going to put 15 milliliters into our solution and pour it in. The other thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to use our pH. Adding the fertilizer is great, but if our pH is off and it's too high or too low, it's going to disrupt those plants from actually growing and getting established. So this one is one that we can hold on to and go ahead and get started. It'll actually show digitally what the pH reading is for our water. We're going to place it into the water. When you're working with your hydroponic unit, make sure that you're reading your labels and following those directions. Every label will give you the specific quantity that you need to add. So make sure that you're following the label for your fertilizer and your pH solutions to make sure that you are optimizing your system and you're not using too much product. So I'm going to bring it out and it says 6.3. We know that that's a little low. We actually need to bring it up because our vegetables that we have are actually going to want to have that little higher pH than that. They're going to run at 6.5 to 7.2 is where they're going to really want to thrive. So that means we need to raise it up. Again, we can take our container. We have some pH up that we can use. We also want to take and measure out. This is 1 tablespoon per gallon. So we want to go ahead and use 3 tablespoons for this container. And we're going to make sure that we're going up to raise our pH. We can add it, let it kind of circulate in there, and then retest our water about an hour later, just to make sure that we have enough in there and that we don't have to raise it anymore. For more questions, please look at our video series on hydroponic and hydroponic care for your plants.